10 dishes of Goa food you must try. When you think of Goa food, you think of flavor, spice, and fireworks on your taste buds. Indeed, Goan food is mainly influenced by two main cultures, the Hindu Saraswat culture and the Portuguese Christian culture. Goa hosts a huge flux of international tourists. As a result, it is known to serve a diverse yet cohesive cuisine. You can find everything from European, English to Indian cuisines here, as well as the must-travel destinations in South Goa or North Goa. Surely you don't want to miss out on any of these flavors. So here you go. I have compiled a list of 10 authentic Goa dishes you must try when you are in Goa. 1. Goan Chorizo and Poee. Making Goan Chorizo is no easy task. It requires time and patience to prepare. This dish contains pork, sea salt, red chiles, spices, ginger, garlic, and toddy vinegar. It's truly a flavor bomb by itself, but paired with fresh Poee, it's sure to take you to cloud 9. 2. Sorpote Sanna. Sorpote is a spicy and tangy pork preparation, which is traditionally made for Christmas or grand celebrations in Goan Catholic households. This fiery curry is generally served with a side of sanna, steamed rice bread. The sannas are different from the idli you usually get in southern India. These are super soft, slightly sweet from the coconut, and melt in your mouth delicious. 3. Chicken Cafreal. This spicy preparation is just the perfect dish to add to your meal. Often coupled with potato wedges, this dry chicken starter has mostly chicken legs and typical Indian spices like tamarind, cinnamon, pepper, green chili, mace, and cloves. 4. Goan fish curry and red rice. The main ingredients of a Goan fish curry are coconut, garlic, ginger, Kashmiri chilies, methi, raw mango, and a special spice called tepal. The closest comparison would be the Sichuan peppercorns. Red rice, also called ukta rice. Yes, this is popular in Goa food menu. 5. Goan pork Vindaloo. Vindaloo comes from the Portuguese words garlic, alho, and wine vinho. When it's combined in a marinade, this spicy and tangy curry. The story of this dish goes way back, when a Portuguese sailor made this dish with, yes, that's right, pork, garlic, and wine. Some substitute vinegar for red wine and add chili peppers and spices. 6. Crab Xacuti. Xacuti or Xacuti is a curry prepared with white poppy seeds, sliced or grated coconut, and large dried red chilies. It is usually prepared with lamb, chicken, or beef. Since Goa is the destination to try out seafood, having crab Xacuti is a must. 7. Ros Omelette. Ros Omelette, also known as Ras Omelette, is a snack and street food in Goan cuisine. Ros means gravy in Konkani. It is a spicy gravy of either chicken or mutton, which is often similar to Xacuti, which is commonly seen in the Goan Catholic style of cooking. When there's yesterday's curry remaining at home, this is what you make out of it. 8. Bebinca. This dish is said to have been invented by a nun called Bebinca. This sweet delicacy uses a traditional ingredient coconut. It is a layered pudding-like cake, which has simple ingredients but is said to be a tedious task to prepare. The sweetness in this dessert is from jaggery, which is one of the most common sweeteners in India. In fact, this dessert is a fusion of the West and the East and is best had hot with some ice cream on the side. 9. Patolea. Patolea is a sweet dish that may also be consumed along with tea. It is made of Goan red rice, jaggery, cardamom, and coconut. It's a dish wrapped in turmeric leaves. A filling of coconut, Goan jaggery, and cardamom is made and stuffed inside the leaves, which are lined with the rice paste. The leaves are then folded or wrapped and steamed for 20 minutes. 10. Cashew Feni. Food historian K.T. Acharya in his book, A Historical Dictionary of Indian Food, describes Feni as the distilled liquor with a distinctive flavor developed in Goa by Catholic monks from the red fruit of the cashew tree. This drink is a local favorite and is usually paired with a pop called linka. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video and want more amazing videos, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.